When you click on the community section, you can manage knowledge-based articles and community categories such as questions, ideas, problems, and praise. Selecting all topics will show everything in a list. If you have multiple spaces set up, you can select the desired space in the upper left. Let's click on questions and select a topic. Agents can perform a variety of functions, such as edit a post for clarification, move a topic from one category to another when a question sounds more like an idea, for example. Mark reply as best, the most appropriate reply will be promoted to the top, which is helpful in long discussions. Change the status of a topic. I can mark a question as answered or an idea as accepted, planned, and so on. Delete unwanted post, and much more. Any user can generally reply to a topic and vote for or against it depending on your voting settings. To start a new topic, click on the plus button and populate your portal yourself.